The outer blade clamp is one of two flanges that secure the saw blade. The outer clamp has a special shape that matches the saw arbor. This prevents the flange from slipping and rotating on the arbor shaft. The blade flanges can wear over time, which will cause the blade to wobble side to side. Replacing the outer blade clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade bolt. With the blade bolt removed, next I'll remove the outer clamp. And now I can install the new outer flange. I align the flange with the shaft, and I'll secure everything with the bolt. And that's how simple it is to install the outer flange on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.